How to fix delivery windows not available on Shipt. Hey everybody, if you're seeing that message of delivery windows not available or no delivery time showing up when you try to place an order on Shipt, that usually happens because there are no delivery windows currently open in your area, not because of something specifically wrong with the application. So here's how you can fix it. So what you can do is you can refresh the application manually. You can press Ctrl plus R if you're using the website, or you can refresh the application by closing it completely and again reopening it. That should also work out. Sometimes you can try switching to another store, or order date can show available windows. So you can also try changing your location. You can guard for delivery option here, and within there we can just go over and choose up a next store conveniently, and you can just go over and switch it up. That is also possible, and it should show available windows for you. You can try switching to different stores for that. Also, you can check offline or off-peak hours. You can check out the website or the application. Usually early morning or late evening may see more slots open up as order shift or shoppers become more free, and you can check it out. If you feel like there is an error or something like that, you can look out for help option and directly go ahead and contact their customer support. There you can provide in your necessary details such as your name, your email, your phone number, and your contact reason, and just go over and contact the Shipt support. You can provide in your reason and your description of your issue. Delivery windows depend upon shopper availability, not your location. You can just go over and contact their support sometimes. And that's it. High demand or few shoppers can temporarily remove all of the available slots. You can check back often. Slots can appear as shoppers become free. You can just go over and try out this refreshment, because even though Shipt offers same day delivery, the specific store you choose must be open and have shoppers available. Some stores may have limited delivery times. That may be one of the reasons why you are not getting the windows on available on Shipt. And that's it, everybody. You can try out the solution for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.